Step-by-step guide on how you can use Walmart Plus at Murphy USA. First, you want to activate your Walmart Plus membership. Make sure you have an active Walmart Plus membership, which includes benefits like fuel discounts at Murphy USA and Murphy Express gas stations. The second step is finding a participating station. You can use the Walmart app or Walmart Plus website to find a participating Murphy USA or Murphy Express gas station near you. Walmart Plus fuel savings are available at certain locations. You want to go to the gas station. Once you arrive at a participating Murphy USA station, make sure you're signed into your Walmart Plus account on the Walmart app. You want to open up the Walmart app and then tap on the Walmart Plus icon or section. You will select member prices on fuel to access your discount. The fifth step is getting the fuel discounts. You will just follow the prompts on the app to generate a discount code or barcode for fuel savings. You'll be asked to input the pump number or scan the QR code at the pump depending on the gas location. Your Walmart Plus discount will be applied automatically. Fuel up and save. Once the discount is applied, proceed to pump your fuel. Your savings, which should typically be 10 cents per gallon, will be shown on the receipt. Something you want to note, Murphy USA/Express participation may vary by location. Always check if the station near you accepts Walmart Plus for fuel discounts. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.